IT learner. In this tutorial, is going to discuss to create a text animation by individual characters in the Word using Adobe After Effects. When you add a text object to the stage, the text options in the layer palette visible an additional option called Text. When you drop down the text option in the layer palette, you can see a couple of options. Addition to them all, you can see an animate function with an arrow key in front of it. The animate option is in the switches column. When you click the animate arrow key, you can see a set of parameters. Let's select one of them. Select Character Offset Parameter. Then the Character Offset Parameter is added under the text options as Animate 1. You can see the Character Offset Parameter is visible with the stopwatch icon, which means you can animate the Character Offset Parameter with some value.